Aussie Diaries.
So the Toyota had arrived. Andre and Natalia had come down to visit from Perth. Accompanying them was Andre's parents from Germany, and they'd flown out because it was Andre's birthday this week. Yeah, that's Andre's dad on the roof. It had been a long 2 months working down here, and it was so nice to see these guys again, as we'd become really good friends from our time together in Perth. And it really was lovely to be able to show them around Margaret River, knowing all the woodland trails and where the best pubs were.
Stout, is that those dark beers?
Yeah.
Biscuity, no working med.
It also meant we could join them on exploring the wider region, and it also gave us access to places we didn't have before. So with the weather more beautiful every day, we started with a short road trip south, from Margaret River down to Augusta and on to Cape Leeuwin. Unfortunately, Al had to work that evening, and so we saved ourselves for the next day's adventures, where we would be visiting one of the many caves in the area. And so we headed to Calgarup Cave. Am I ruining your shot? Ow. This is not. Ow.
Your love is a work of art. The richest people who are nothing and they have it hard. And your home is a place of love. It doesn't matter, yeah, or who you are.
Thankfully, we didn't see any cave spiders. And with beautiful weather outside, we headed to the beach. Heading north from the cave, we went to Surfers Point and to the mouth of the Margaret River. After a light lunch, Andre and Natalia invited us down to where they were actually staying. It was further south, in an area called Hamlin Bay. They had also mentioned that the night before, they'd seen a huge stingray just off the shore. And if we were lucky, we might be able to see it for ourselves.
Your love is a work of art. The richest people who have nothing and they have it hard. And your home is a place of love. It doesn't matter yet or who you are. Your smile is a peaceful smile. And then when I see it, I will stop and step for a while. Yeah.
Sure enough, within 10 minutes of us being on the beach, a huge stingray appeared, within touching distance.
Your home is a place of love. It doesn't matter yet or who you are. Your smile is a peaceful smile. Now when I see it, I will stop and stare for a while. Yeah, I won't let go. Yeah, I won't let go. I won't let go.
Sadly, we come to our last day with Andre and Natalia. But it was Andre's birthday. And being the princess that he is, we had to do everything he wanted. And there was only one thing he wanted. All 6 of us were able to get into the Land Cruiser, and with some snacks from Coles, we headed in search of an off-roading beach. As the tarmac turned to dirt, we were heading in the right direction, with the Toyota handling the trail with ease. Then we finally turned down and broke out of the tree line, where we were met with a spectacular view. Dirt turned to sand and we had made it. Our own private beach. What a perfect gift for our birthday boy. We took in the view and relaxed, but with the beach all to ourselves, there was really only one thing to do. Back on the road, we headed back to Margaret River and to the tavern where we had a birthday meal. It had been a great 3 days and it was so nice to see you guys again. As we said our goodbyes in the Coles car park, it's crazy now to think that that was the last time that we saw you guys on our trip.
I think at some point whenever you're done with the video or something, maybe you can send it to me.
Yeah, I'll get it done.
I have finally got this video done, and thank you for being such great friends to us. If you and everybody else enjoyed this video, you'll be pleased to know that next episode our friend Matan comes to town in his big 4x4, and so we'll be doing this all over again. Stay safe.